Right now, inside this wood processing, giant timber logs are beginning their journey into strong. These massive logs are unloaded using powerful hydraulic systems designed to handle extreme weight. But this is only the beginning. Before processing, logs are stored carefully to maintain moisture levels. Most people have never seen this scale before. These logs now enter the automated system that feeds them directly into the heart of the sawmill. The first major transformation begins as rough bark is stripped away using powerful debarking machines. What remains is pure wood, ready for precision cutting. And the next stage is even more impressive. These powerful saws cut logs into manageable sections with incredible accuracy. Each cut reveals the natural structure of wood, but this process is far from over. To prepare for veneer peeling, logs are shaped into perfect cylinders. This is where the magic begins. Logs are peeled into thin layers that will form the foundation of plywood. What happens next is incredible. These machines peel logs into continuous thin sheets with incredible precision. But what happens to these fragile layers next is even more impressive. These thin sheets are cut and sorted based on quality, ensuring only the best material moves forward in the plywood process. To strengthen the wood, moisture must be removed. These drying chambers operate at high temperatures to prepare the veneer for bonding. Inside these chambers, intense heat transforms the wood, making it stronger and more stable. Most people have never seen this stage in action. Now, a powerful adhesive is applied to bond these layers together. And what happens when these sheets are combined is truly incredible. These layers are carefully stacked in alternating directions, a technique that gives plywood its incredible strength. But the real transformation is about to begin.
Before final pressing, these stacks are aligned with precision to ensure uniform strength and structure.
This is where everything changes. Extreme heat and pressure fuse the layers into a single solid sheet. Under intense pressure, the adhesive activates, permanently bonding each layer. What happens after this is incredible. After pressing, the plywood is strong, but not yet perfect. Precision trimming is the next critical step. In just minutes, loose layers are transformed into strong plywood sheets. But the process is far from finished. These powerful saws cut each sheet to exact dimensions with razor-sharp precision. But the surface still needs refinement. Advanced systems ensure every sheet meets strict industrial standards. Most people never see this level of precision. To achieve a smooth finish, each sheet passes through high-speed sanding systems. And what happens next makes it even more refined. Now the plywood reveals its final surface. Smooth, strong, and ready for transformation into real-world. Every sheet is carefully inspected to ensure it meets strict quality standards. Only the best plywood moves forward, but the next stage changes everything. Using advanced cutting systems, these sheets are transformed into precise components for furniture. What happens after this is incredible. These individual components are sorted and prepared for assembly callants, and this is where raw plywood begins to turn into real furniture. This is where everything comes together. Individual plywood components are assembled into fully functional tables. But the transformation isn't complete yet. High-speed tools secure every joint, ensuring strength and durability. What happens next gives these tables their final look. Before the final finish, every surface is refined to perfection, because what comes next will define the final product. This is where the transformation becomes visible. Precision spray systems apply a flawless coating across every surface. Layer by layer, the coating builds strength, protection, and a premium look. Most people have never seen this level of detail. Inside these controlled chambers, heat cures the coating into a durable, glossy finish, and what comes out next looks completely transformed. Now, each table is polished to perfection, creating a flawless, mirror-like surface. But before they leave the factory, every table undergoes a final inspection to ensure perfection because only the highest quality products leave this factory. Finally, these tables are carefully packaged to protect them during transport. But their journey doesn't end here. These finished tables are stored in massive warehouses, ready to be shipped across the world. But what happens next?
From here, these products are loaded for delivery, plugid, each one heading toward homes, offices, and businesses around the world.
What started as raw timber logs has now become finished furniture, ready for the world, and this entire journey happens every single